How to fix same Instagram picture on different Instagram account. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing you want to do is head over to your application Instagram. Make sure that the application is up to date. Once you are in here, you have to make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Now what you want to do is head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. It will land you on this page. Click on Edit Profile. Once again click on Edit Picture. Different options will be visible to you. Let me click on Choose from Library. It will open up your gallery. From your gallery, select any of the picture that you want to add it as a profile picture. Once you've selected, tap on Done at the top right corner. And there you can see that the profile picture of this account has been changed successfully. Likewise, in the other account, if the profile picture has been synced, then what you want to do is, you have to do the same process that you did in this account. While changing the profile, you have to select a different picture and then you'll be good to go. Well, if it doesn't work for you, then the next thing you want to do is click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to Account Center. Inside Account Center, head over to Accounts. In this page, you might see the account that has been synced. If you have that account, then all you want to do is remove the account. The option of remove will be visible to you. Simply click on it and the account will be removed successfully. After that, your profile picture won't be synced anymore. Well, if this doesn't help, then the next thing you can do is you have to enable two-factor authentication on your Instagram app. It will protect and form a security in your account, so it might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. Even after this, if you are still having the issue, then what you can do is head over to Settings, move into General, and then head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, head over to the application Instagram. You have to upload the app, click on it, and once again click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. So it might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix same profile picture in different Instagram account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.